Welcome. This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with a vegan breakfast burrito mukbang. Okay, so what happened was I wanted to use the yes egg and some of the non-dairy, non-meat breakfast sausage, the egg, but I didn't want to use the egg because although the expiration date didn't expire, the water has separated from the mixture and I shook it, but it still wouldn't come back together, so I just didn't want to use it. So I'm still gonna do a burrito. I just used potatoes, red potatoes, instead of the egg. So I use the onion, green pepper, red potato, sausage. I have tomatoes and I have some cilantro. That looks yummy, right? So I have some vegan cheese. I have some vegan eggs. Olay. Olay. You sitting down watching TV? I have some vegan eggs. I wanted to try some different sauces. So I have the Chick-fil-A. It's not with mayo or egg. I wanted to try some of the Taco Bell sauce. Then I have some sriracha. I ran out of ice cubes, so I just used my frozen fruit and my orange drink. It's pretty tasty. Then I have my good old H2SO. Hi, mamas. I have the babies down here. What happened was, I had her propped up on the couch, but she wanted to climb and all of this other stuff, and nobody got time for her falling, crying. So what I did, oh yes, I have corn tortillas. So I'm gonna see how many of these I can eat. I didn't want her to fall off the couch, so I put her on the floor. So that's how she ended up over here. Okay, tortilla number one. Do y'all notice that when you get these tortillas from the restaurant, they give you like two? So I'm gonna put my vegan eggs as a base. The little vegan eggs. And put that as a base. Then I'm gonna put my mixture of potatoes and onions and sausage. I'm gonna put some tomatoes. I tried my best to cut, but you know what I think? I think the knife wasn't sharp enough because it didn't like slice it and dice it. Then I'm gonna do some cilantro. I learned today that the stems, you can use the stems too. I used to just throw them away. Okay. I'm gonna get some cheese. What sauce should I try first? I'll try some sriracha. Open it up. Okay. Oh, that's why they put two, because it's breaking. So I'm going to use two. So it won't be breaking and everything. That's why they use two. This is pretty good. Mm. I feel like because there's two, there needs to be more of the potato and meat mixture. Mmm. Mm. This is the non-meat sausage, the breakfast sausage. And I fed her already, so. Mm. I'm tasting the sriracha. Mm. If you hear something, that's my dishwasher. Okay. I think I want to just use one tortilla though. That was just a lot of like. I think I used a little too much veganese. Mm. Okay. Number two. Try it without the cheese. But I'm gonna try it with the Diablo from Taco Bell. Okay. She's over here. See. Hopefully I don't like this one the best because there's only like one more use after this. See. Take that big tomato off. I think I like it better than one tortilla. Because you get to taste everything. I get to taste the vegan egg. I get to taste the potatoes, the tomatoes, the cilantro, the onions, the green peppers. How it looks, guys. This is so good. Mmm. That was good. Mmm. This tastes so good. Want to stand up? Stand up. A baby, when she pulls herself up on something, she smiles like, made it, I did it. Let's taste some more of this. Mmm. This got a strawberry. Okay, so I don't want to get full. Let me leave that alone. Okay. So this is the third one. I'm gonna try mayonnaise. I'm using this as like the base. I can use the Chick-fil-A sauce as a base. And I'm gonna try that next time. I'm gonna try it now. Ulay, please go sit down and watch TV, please. Thank you, honey. She's over here, but you have to stay over there. Chick-fil-A sauce as a base. No, sit there, honey. Excuse me. Okay. Can get some peas. So this one has a Chick-fil-A sauce. Take a bite. I haven't even offered to share. There you go. Got it? Okay. Mmm. Mmm. I didn't like the Chick-fil-A sauce on my fries, but I think I like it on this better because it has like a smoky taste. I can't explain it. It's weird. Mm. 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 That was good. That was good. This is good too. Okay. This is number 4, I believe. I'm going to this. It's like the mayonnaise. Really tastes like mayo. It does. I used to love some mayonnaise. I was such a mayonnaise person. Oh, I should have put some ketchup. You know, you eat hash browns with ketchup. I think this is so hard, just a little sweet. No, it's not sweet. I wonder what was that sweetness I tasted. Maybe some leftover strawberry from the juice. Mmm. This tastes so good. Okay. 5. So this morning I was turning on the TV for my little one. Cora, stop. Cora. No. 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 Cora, no. 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 Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, so this is so awkward, so bad. I can't get to the baby and I can't stop her from moving the camera. So I'm about to sign out. Thank you for watching. Bye.